Hi, welcome to Computer Code Word channel. Today we are going to discuss financial functions in MS Excel. PMT function, IPMT function, PPMT function. Let's see the functions one by one in detail. PMT function. The PMT function is a financial function that returns the periodic payment value for a loan. You can use PMT function to figure out payments for a loan, number of periods, and interest rate. Return value, loan payment value. Suppose you took a loan amount 5 lakhs, interest rate annual 9%, loan period 10 years, installments monthly. You can use PMT function to calculate monthly installment amount. Formula equals PMT open bracket rate. For rate, give the interest rate as B3 divided by 12. Loan interest rate is 9%. Here you have to divide the interest rate by 12 because given rate 9% is for the whole year. So monthly rate becomes 9 divided by 12. Comma. Next, number of periods. Before multiplied with 12. Your loan amount is for 10 years. Number of monthly periods becomes 10 multiplied with 12. So, view number of periods value as before multiply with 12. Comma, present value. View B2. Present value, which is your loan amount 5 lakhs. Close the bracket. So, PMT full formula is equals PMT open bracket B3 divided by 12 comma B4 multiplied with 12 comma B2. Close the bracket. Press enter button. Your installment amount is 6,333.79. The amount value is showing dollar symbol. To remove the dollar symbol, just press comma symbol. The location is showed with arrow mark. Your monthly installment amount is 6,333.79. IPMT function. The Excel IPMT function can be used to calculate the interest portion of a given loan payment in a given payment period. You can use IPMT to get the interest amount of a payment for the first period, the last period, or any period in between. Return value, the interest amount. Formula equals IPMT open bracket rate, your loan interest rate, which is B3 divided by 12. Yearly interest rate is 9%. Monthly interest rate becomes 9 divided by 12. Comma. Next you have to give period. For which period you want to see the interest portion. For first month, give period as 1. Comma. Number of periods. Before multiply with 12. Your loan period 10 years. Number of monthly periods becomes 10 multiply with 12. So, view number of periods value as before multiply with 12. Comma. Next, present value. B2, your loan amount. Close the bracket. The full formula is equals IPMT open bracket B3 divided by 12 comma 1 comma B4 multiply with 12 comma B2 closed bracket. Press enter button. Interest amount is 3750. The amount value is showing dollar symbol. To remove dollar symbol, just press comma symbol. Out of your installment amount 6333.79, interest value is 3750. PPMT function. The Excel PPMT function can be used to calculate the principal portion of a given loan payment. You can use PPMT to get the principal amount of a payment for the first period or the last period or any period in between. Return value. Principal payment. Formula equals PPMT open bracket rate, your loan interest rate. Your loan interest rate, which is B3 divided by 12. Yearly interest rate is 9%. Monthly interest rate becomes 9 divided by 12, comma, periods. For first month, view period as 1, comma, number of periods. Number of periods before multiply with 12. Your loan period is for 10 years. Number of monthly periods becomes 10 multiply with 12, comma, present value, B2, your loan amount. Close the bracket. The total formula is equals PPMT open bracket B3 divided by 12, comma, 1, comma, B4 multiply with 12, comma, B2, close the bracket. Press enter button. The amount value is showing the dollar symbol. To remove dollar symbol, just press comma symbol. Out of installment amount 6333.79, principal amount is 2583.79. Monthly installment amount 6333.79, interest value 3750, principal amount 2583.79. Hope you understood how to calculate monthly installment amount, interest amount and principal amount using PMT, IPMT and PPMT functions. Like, share, subscribe Computer Code God channel. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.